everybody. Today we are making muffins, and these are a very different type of unique muffin. Brown sugar dinner rolls. Down in the description box you will find the recipe for this unique muffin recipe, along with miscellaneous kitchen items. So let's go put this together. Okay, I have about 15, a dozen of 15, there's 15 here, frozen dinner rolls. I took it out. They're a little tacky now. I can take these apart. I'll take them out of this pan and slowly rip these apart. And we're going to cut these up to roughly 6 different pieces. And I'm going to throw these right back into the pan. Okay, we have our yeast dinner rolls all cut up. We're just going to slide that off to the side. Now we have 6 tablespoons of melted butter. I put it in a microwave. I let it cool down a little bit. We're going to pour this into a bowl. And then we have 2 tablespoons of corn syrup we're going to put in. And then we're going to mix this up. Okay, now another small bowl. We have a half a cup of brown sugar packed and 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. And we're just going to mix this up real good. Okay, we have our muffin pan, and what we're going to do now, we're going to grease this up with some shortening and make sure everything is coated just like that. Let's move your wrist. And you can get done at a fairly quick pace. All greased up, ready to go. Now we're going to form an assembly line. So we have our brown sugar mix. We have our butter. And we have our dinner rolls. So now you can do it by hand or you can use a tongue. I'm just going to dunk that in there. We're going to strain it. And we're just going to roll it in here. Like so. And just dump it in there. Now we'll put about 6 or 7 in each one. Okay, all done. Quick tip. Keep wiping the tongs off if you're using tongs or it gets real messy. I'm going to use some saran wrap, and I'm going to put saran wrap on here. I'll put saran wrap on here, let this sit up for a few minutes. That way it all adheres together, and the earlier ones already started doing that because it took so long to assemble this. Alright, I'm going to take this off of here. It's been about 15 minutes. I'm going to throw it in the oven, 350 degrees, for about 20 minutes. Alright, there they are. And you can see they just turn in the... So I was in there for about 20 minutes. These are like sticky buns. Oh, this is coming apart. There we go. Oh, she just fell apart, but that looks delicious. So we have dinner roll monkey bread muffins. Alright, so I let them cool probably about 10 minutes. They probably could use a little bit more since it kind of fell apart, but this looks delicious, so let's give this a try. Oh my. Crunchy, you probably can hear it. Sweet, smooth, it's soft. Wow. So this is very excellent. Recipes down in the description box. If you're interested in making these, about the dinner rolls I bought were about 15. I probably could have made 2 dozen with these. And you probably could, so you're going to have to double the recipe for the coating. So if you're interested in that. So until next time, it's the Classical Gourmet wishing you happy cooking.